YouTube, what's going on? We are back at the truck. Look at that. Got the splitter. So we've got the truck back. We've upgraded from a 10 speed to a 13 speed. And yeah, I've been down. I've taken a pretty big hit right now. But last video I posted, I took it down because I wasn't really in the headspace to deal with negativity and people saying that I tore up my transmission, and people saying that they expected me to fail a lot sooner, and people saying that I blamed Landstar for my truck breaking down, which I'm kind of dumbfounded on why anyone said that, you know, I blamed Landstar. All I was saying about Landstar was that, you know, I just got a brand new trailer and I wanted to keep the trailer, and I didn't know if I was gonna be able to keep the same trailer that I had just picked up, which I really wanted to keep it because it was a new trailer, and it was a badass trailer. So that's all I really said about Landstar. Anyways, I got my truck back, upgraded from the 10 speed to the 13 speed, and my mechanic got to the root of the problem. The transmission cooler was leaking, and he took off that plate down there, and it was extremely low on transmission oil. And the thing about it was that I had just got a PM done, and they didn't check it. And of course, I made a mistake. It slipped my mind. I didn't ask them to show me the transmission fluid or to check the levels, but they're supposed to do this on the PMs on the service. I got it serviced at a Travel America. They sent me down the road with low transmission fluid. Now I'm paying for the mistake. You know, they should have checked it. I could have got to the root of the problem then. I could have got them to look at the transmission cooler. I could have done something if I would have known I was low on transmission oil. So it is what it is. It's mistakes on my end for not remembering to tell them to check the transmission oil, and it's a mistake on their part because they're supposed to do that stuff and not send you down the road. You know, they're supposed to torque it for you. You know everything that goes into a PM. I don't need to sit here and tell you, but so that's where we're at with everything. And I'm gonna show you guys my bill. Let me show you. I'm gonna flip this camera around really quick, but that's where we're at with everything. I also needed new airbags. 2 of them were leaking, so I just went around and got 4 new airbags. So I got a new transmission. They did the rear main seal on my truck. They did the sleeve that goes over the what's the name of it? I don't even know. But they did everything on here. We'll see here. Transmission. I'm gonna flip this camera around so I can show you guys. Hold on. So transmission, rear main seal, gasket kit, shifter knob, what is that, air knittings, air elbows, clutch hub hose, transmission oil, and airbags on here, for a grand total $4,835 and looks like 33 cents. So yep, that's where we're at with it. Yeah, on a lighter note, I'm happy. I learned on a 13 speed. I've always wanted a 13 speed, so I'm kind of happy to upgrade from the 10 to the 13. But yeah, I pretty much, other than the engine, everything on this truck is pretty much. So there's the new airbags, and I'm getting ready to replace these as well, but it also has the Gabriel's gas powered shocks all the way around, and from now on I'm gonna have them check my transmission oil in front of me every PM I get done on this truck. So I don't know. I'm definitely not going to make that mistake again. Probably gonna be a lot of comments. You know, I had a lot of negative comments on my last video, but like I said, I wasn't in the headspace to really deal with negativity at the time. You know, I was going through a lot. I broke down. It's never fun breaking down, and you know, all the downtime, the shop bills, and everything else. But I also got some pretty exciting news. I'm gonna be a dad, so just found that out. So you guys, I'm letting you guys know now. Pretty excited about that. So I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be doing OTR, because I got some other plans. Don't really want to share them with you yet, but I'm gonna be coming off this road, and yeah, I'm gonna be starting my second business. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the truck. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, sell it, invest it into the other business that I'm gonna be starting, but probably got about a year left over the road driving, and then I'm gonna be done with this stuff. So all right guys, I'm gonna get out of here, but leave your comments, like, share, subscribe, and please, no negativity. People make mistakes, and you know, I've learned from all my mistakes, but you know, the people sitting there leaving negative comments and stuff, they're not the ones up here on the internet being on video, sharing their story and telling the world all the mistakes they've made. They're just sitting behind a computer screen judging, and I don't know, there's something to be said for judgment, you know what I mean? You go around judging everybody all the time, you know, you're not perfect either. Everybody makes mistakes. So I don't want any negative comments. I'm just going to delete pretty much any of the negative comments that I see in the comment section. But I did get lucky, and the driver that came and picked up the loaded load that I dropped off here at the shop, he left me a trailer, so I don't have to play the whole trailer game here at Landstar, or find something preloaded, or get on a waiting list, or none of that. So got my truck back. I'm gonna be booking a load out tomorrow. I got a trailer, new transmission, and this is gonna be my first time driving the 13 speed that I put in here. So yeah, you guys take care. See you guys in the next one. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Peace.